I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's.
Hey everyone, this is Coach Steven Dustin from the Rice Street Old School Boxing Gym. Just to remind you that we're having our event at Rice and Arlington Fields on August 3rd. The doors open at noon. It's a $20 donation for adults, $10 for kids, 13 to 17. Anybody under 13 is in for free. We just want to thank everybody ahead of time when you come out.
Dance, 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 I'm gonna dance, 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 I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. I've been trying to cope since you ran away. I've been feeling lost, I've been feeling pain. And no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I tried to call the doctor, it didn't help. Took a trip out to the sun to revive myself. But no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance.
Photobomb!
All right, that's a wrap down here at the Rice Street Old School Boxing Gym. And again, if you can, please come to the fights on Saturday. Rice Street in Arlington Park up there. It's an outdoor fight. It should be pretty awesome. All right, that's all I got. Chef Leroy and out.
Dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me.